Maybe you stumbled over your words during a presentation, sent a text with a typo, walked into a room awkwardly, or wore something you thought looked strange, and suddenly it feels like everyone noticed. But here's the truth. Most people are far less focused on you than you think. It's the tendency to believe that people are paying close attention to our appearance, mistakes, or behavior when in reality, they're usually too busy thinking about themselves. And honestly, that's human nature. Every person lives at the center of their own mental world. They're worrying about how they look, what they said, whether they sounded awkward. Which means while you're overthinking that embarrassing thing you did, someone else is overthinking something they did 5 minutes ago. Researchers have actually studied this. In one famous experiment, college students were asked to wear an embarrassing t-shirt into a room full of people. The students predicted that about half the room would notice. In reality, only a small number of people even remembered the shirt at all. Why? Because attention is limited. People simply aren't analyzing us as deeply as we imagine. But our brains create the illusion that there's a spotlight shining directly on us at all times. That illusion can fuel social anxiety. It makes small mistakes feel huge. Tiny awkward moments feel permanent. But most of the time, those moments disappear almost instantly from other people's minds. Think about it. Can you remember every awkward thing someone else did this week? Probably not. And if you do remember, you likely didn't judge them nearly as harshly as you judge yourself. That's another strange thing about the human mind. We give ourselves a level of scrutiny we would never give other people. The spotlight effect reminds us that perfection isn't required to be accepted. People don't connect with flawless humans. They connect with real ones. The awkward laugh, the nervous pause, the small mistake. Those moments often make someone feel more human, not less. So, the next time you feel embarrassed in public, remember this: you are not the main character in everyone else's story. Most people are too busy being the main character in their own. And that's actually freeing.